Just a quick update, short and sweet. Just like my coconut water, it was really, really, really sweet, really delicious, really refreshing. And I went and I opened, let's see. This is it's not no young coconut this, but see, the label said fresh young coconut. I never miss so. So of course, this is much harder than a young coconut, what a young coconut would look like. So, but I'm happy eating. And please, if you enjoy this video, hey, leave a comment, say hi. Bye from Stacy in Japan. Oh, no, ask me I eat it. All right, I take a little bit. Oh no, off eat coconut with spoon, no. All right, so oh, can't see. Okay, so do that. I kind of scoop. It's hard to do this at an angle, and all I want to do is eat. See, and you do that. I see that. I can't get none. Again, later, next time. Try a jelly, man. If you've never had coconut before or coconut jelly, please do. Let me know if you like it. One of the beauties of living in a tropical country. All these wonderful delights. Bye for now from Stacy in Japan.